वेलकम टू बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं महेश कुमार, आप देख रहे हो बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो के मेगा ऑडिशन के स्पीच कंपटीशन को लेकर आज हमारी टीम पहुंची है एमरोल्ड इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ओमेक्स सिटी फेज़ 2 में। देखने वाला रहेगा कैसा रहने वाला है आज एमरोल्ड इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ओमेक्स सिटी फेज़ 2 के बच्चों का स्पीच कंपटीशन। जिस भी बच्चे की स्पीच आपको अच्छी लगे उस बच्चे के लिए वोट ज़रूर करें। केवल सब्सक्राइबर भी वोट कर सकते हैं, तो पहले हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, उसके बाद वोट करें। जिस बच्चे की जितनी ज़्यादा वोट होंगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी पोजीशन होगी, और जिस बच्चे की जितनी अच्छी पोजीशन होगी और उसके बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी रैंक होगी। केवल सब्सक्राइबर ही वोट कर सकते हैं, तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। आइए देखते हैं कैसा रहने वाला है एमरोल्ड इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ओमेक्स सिटी फेज़ 2 के बच्चों का स्पीच कॉम्पिटिशन।
Good morning everyone. My name is Jivika from class 6 of IR. Today I am here to present speech and my topic is Chandrayaan 3, India's latest lunar mission. Chandrayaan 3 is the ambitious lunar in the footsteps of its predecessor Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan 3, India's second attempt to achieve soft landing on the moon surface. It is a project undertaken by Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO, successful land on the moon surface and deploy a rover to conduct experiments and gather valuable data. The mission is focused on moon study, geology, mineralogy and exosphere. This will be contribute organ evolution. ISRO was launched Chandrayaan 3 at 2:35 p.m. on July 14 at Satish Dhawan Center. The mission objective of Chandrayaan 3 are to demonstrate safe and soft landing on the moon surface, to demonstrate rover roving on the moon surface, to achieve several advanced technologies are present in lander such as laser, RF, altimeter, velocimeters and propulsion system, to demonstrate several advanced technologies. Several lander space tests like integrated hot test, integrated cold test, lander-like mechanisms which have been planned and carried out successfully. Chandrayaan 3 is a success. It will further India's strength position global space community. This is inspired to younger generation STEM, science, technologies, engineering and mathematics. To achieve Soviet Union and China in after landing on the moon surface, India is the fourth country to achieve soft landing on the moon surface if Chandrayaan 3 is a success. Thank you and have a nice day.
Morning, one and all present here. My name is Siddharth and I study in class 6th Pearl. I want to give my opinion over the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in front of all of you. I especially chose this topic because of the increasing need of cleanliness all around the India, with the support of each and every citizen of the country. The great person of India, Mahatma Gandhi, said that sanitation is more important than independence. India is still a developing country because of the poverty, lack of education and some other social issues. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched on 1st April 2012, which was not very effective, so this mission was relaunched on 2nd October 2014, the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. This campaign was started by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. We need to eliminate reasons obstructing in the growth and development of our country to complete the slogan of clean, happy and healthy citizens, clean, healthy and developed nation. Thank you. Have a nice day.
And very good morning to today. I am Vanshika is going to speak about benefits of yoga. Yoga is a traditional activity that connects to the body and mind. It is a physical activity that involves managing our breath, practicing simple meditation and adopt particular physical posture by balancing the component of our body. Normally used to promote physical and mental relaxation as well as good health. Yoga is the journey of self through the self to the self. Literally, yoga means union to connect or come together. The practice of yoga can be traced back thousands of years ago. The yoga was practiced in the Indus Valley civilization. According to the is also known as Adiyogi, was the first to give profound knowledge to yoga in Vedas, Upanishads, Smritis and teachings of Buddhists and Purans. Therefore, frequent yoga will help you to promote physical and mental health. There is a lot of Indian literature about yoga. Therefore, frequent yoga will help you to practice be in good health, be lovely, be at peace. Now, it's time to end the speech with these words. Yoga is a light once lit and never dim. Thank you and have a nice day.
To teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Chavi from class 6 Sapphire. Today's my topic is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India movement was launched on Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October in 2014 by India's Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. The Indian government is campaign launched by our Prime Minister all across the country. Gandhiji believed in cleanliness in his surroundings. Gandhiji once said that cleanliness is most important. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, a cleanup of infrastructures, cities, towns and villages of our country. This campaign involved promoting sanitation program in rural areas, cleaning of streets and constructions of toilets. Indian government has taken all possible steps to make India a clean country. It is our duty also to make India a clean, healthy and a beautiful country. Therefore, we must connect to Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The same named as Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan SBA, and finally it was relaunched as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. And the Indian government declared this mission as being inspired by patriotism to give its all credit to citizens of India. The main other objectives are complete elimination of open defecation in every area, education is manual scavenging, and promoting reuse and recycling of municipal solid, and facilitate private sector to usually participate in Jai Hind Jai Bharat. Thank you. Swachh Bharat, Khushhal Bharat.